सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्याभोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्याबन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्यापरा देवता विद्याराजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्याविहीनः पशुः। नमस्कार। वेलकम टू 473rd क्लास टुडे। 3सप्तत्युत्तरचतुश्शततमी कक्षाद्य। गतकक्षायां एकः श्लोकः पठितः, तत्सम्बन्धी अभ्यासः न पूर्णतया कृतः। नवमः श्लोकः पठितः। पदच्छेदः, पदपरिचयः, आकांक्षा एवं त्रयः अंशाः तत्र कृताः सन्ति। आकांक्षा अपि न पूर्णतया कृता अस्ति। आकांक्षायां तत्र त्रीणि वाक्यानि एव अस्माभिः पठितानि। 3 sentences of आकांक्षा we have read. Now we are going to 61 page today, Srinivas. Before that, let them have, last class I did not write Kosha and one poem in Shikarani Vrutta of Pandita Raja Raya Jagannatha, and also the Saramsha, which will display now. You can show them. So in the Kosha, some words are given here. Dvipaha Dvabhyam Mukena Hastena cha pibati Gajaha Gajati iti Gaja Shabde Madecha, to roar and to be drunk. Therefore it is called Gaja. Danti Atishayitau Dantau Asya. This has two excellent tusks. Therefore it is called Danti. Dantavalo Danta Valach. Suffix and the final of Danta being made long, so you get Dantavala. Hasti, Hastaha, which means Shunda, trunk. Asya Asti, this has the trunk, therefore it is Hasti. And Viradaha is same like the first one. Dvau Radau, Radaha is tusk. Asya, this has 2 tusks and therefore it is called Dvirada. Anekapaha, Anekena Karena Mukhena cha pibati, drinks with not one but with 2 things. Therefore it is called Anekapaha. That is on page 56. We have to locate this kosha. And then page 59, Pandita Raya Jagannathasya Ganga Laharitaha Ekah Slokaha Shikarani Vrutte. Payapitva already explained. You can see that. And I have also provided the translation for your consumption. And the last one is the Saramsha of the poem 9. Alpagnaha Manavaha Madandho Gaja Iva Viveka Shunya San Sarvagna iti Garvitaha Bhavati Yada Sahavan Pudajanaihi Samagamat Sangat Alpam Avagantum Aravati Tada Saha Murka iti Janati Tasya Garvaha api Jwaraha Iva Apagachati. So this is the Saramsha. We move on. Srinivas. Kidrusham Surapatim api Vilokya Vishankate. What type of Surapati, Lord of the gods, having seen what type of Lord of the gods, does he doubt? Here we are, the subject is the dog. Here is the dog trying to eat the bone of a man and not being ashamed. That is the subject here. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Parshvastham Surapatim api
Vilokya Vishankate. So Parshvastham, Samipastham, situated, standing by, Surapatim Indramapi Vilokya Društva Vishankate. Even if Indra were to come and stand by the side of the dog would think him to be a competitor for the bone. Dog suspects even Indra, whether Indra has come there to share the bone, that is it. Kim kurvan vishankate, doubts doing what?
Khadan vishankate.
while eating the bone, the dog doubts like this. Kidrusham kim khadan vishankate? Eating what? Does the dog doubt?
Narasti khadan vishankate.
Narasya asti. The human bone, the bone of a human being, while eating the human bone, it doubts. Kidrusham narasti khadan vishankate? Eating what type of human bone does he doubt?
Krumi kulachitam narasti khadan vishankate.
So there is an adjective here, Visheshanam. Krumi, kitaka. Krumi akulam. Krumi kula. Kruminam kulam tatra. Samuhai. Krumi samuhai chitam vyaptam. That bone which is been infested with many insects, which has been spread, which has been otherwise spread by several insects. Krumi, kula means here group, samuha. Krumi samuha chitam vyaptam narastim khadan. While eating a bone and very, this nauseating type of bone, he doubts. Punaha kedusham narasti khadan vishankate. Again, eating what type of bone eating does the dog doubt?
Lala klinam narasti khadan vishankate.
Lala klinam. Lala klinam means it is wet by saliva. Lala jalam. Lala jalena klinam. Ardram. Being wet by the saliva. Human bone wet by the saliva, its own saliva, and attracted by several insects. Punaha kim narasti khadan vishankate. Again, what type of bone does he doubt?
Vigandhi narasti khadan vishankate.
Vigandhi means very foul smelling. Durgandhi, Durgandha yuktam narasti khadan vishankate. Doubts while eating a very foul smelling human bone. Punaha kidrusham narasti khadan vishankate. Again, what type of human bone does he doubt?
Jugupsitam narasti khadan vishankate.
Jugupsitam, nindaspadam, highly despisable, hateful human bone. While eating the highly hateful human bone, he doubts. Punaha kidrusham narasti khadan vishankate. Niravisham narasti khadan. The dog doubts while eating above said type of bone. Niravisham, mamsa rahitam. Mamsara kevalam tatra asti parantu asti krumikitakaih avrutam asti, lala klinnam asti, punaha jugupsitam asti, atyantam nindaspadam asti, tadrusham mamsa rahitam asti khadan vishankate. While eating such a useless bone, it doubts. Kaya ritya khadan vishankate. Eating by what means does he doubt?
Nirupama rasa pritya khadan vishankate.
Nirupama rasa pritya khadan. That means with Nirupama rasa priti, it has unequal taste, unparalleled taste for it. The dog has such a wonderful taste for it, which is not comparable. Nirupama rasa priti, taya rasa pritya. Nirupama rasasya pritihi, nirupama rasa pritihi, taya nirupama rasa pritya. I am reminded of the Aghori cult that is there in India. Aghoris also do the same thing. I think Aghori would have been better been taken here in the place of the dog here. What do the Aghoris do? They are highly educated people, I am told. They are there on YouTube also, you can see several of them. Aghori, which is there especially in areas like Kashi, Benares, that area. There is a cult in India which is still there. For them, what is ghora to normal human being is aghora to them. That is how the cult got the name. Understand? What we say, it is ghora, it is horrible, we say. See, this description is horrible. Ghoram varnam atra vartate. Kaschana kukkurah, kaschana shva, manavasya asti khadan kidusham asti khadan tatra na vishankate tatra na lajjam na lajjate lajjam na anubhavati atra tadrusham varnam asti. Kukkurasya vishaye varnam asti atra. Parantu aghora तत्र ये अनुयायिनः अघोरी अनुयायिनः सन्ति खलु ते एतद् भिन्नं घोराति घोरं तत्र कुर्वन्ति परन्तु तत् घोरमिति न ते चिन्तयन्ति तत् अघोरमिति चिन्तयन्ति so they think it is not ghora, it is not horrible. Like eating, they pull out the limbs, cut out the limbs of the burning dead body and take it and eat it. They literally take out, chop off the hands and legs of the burning dead body and then take it and go on eating that. This is one example I am giving. For them it is not a ghora. And the philosophy is that, since I am reminded of it, they say that human desire should be terminated. To control the human desire, we have to do the nastiest thing, thereby the desire goes off. They think that desire can be totally controlled by eating the most heinous, abominable thing in the world, most horrific, horrible things, and for that they have no sense of horror or any abominable that thing, nauseating thing for them. For them everything is pleasant. Eating the human flesh, that too a dead body, burning, half-burned dead body, they think it is more tastier than gulab jamun. What can we do? And that is their siddhanta. They want to kill the desire by eating the most hateful thing. I don't know what Shastra sanction is there for that. Na kamaha kamanam upabhogena shamyati. Krishna vartmeva bhuyeva abhivardati se. Kama never satisfied by indulging in kama. You can't terminate a desire by indulging in desiring things. But they have that. So I think that Aghori is reminded here. Anyway, Srinivas, last is there. Yato hi na ganayati, because he doesn't care. Kaha na ganayati, who doesn't care?
Shudraha jantuhu na ganayati.
Little animal like a dog. Shudraha jantuhu na ganayati, doesn't care. Shudraha jantuhu kam na ganayati, what does the little animal not care?
Shudraha jantuhu
parigraha phalgutam na ganayati. A little, a mean animal, Shudra, a mean animal, does not care for the futility of what it has taken. The dog cannot on its own understand the uselessness of licking or sucking or trying to bite the bone of a human being which is infested with so many things. Yeah. That is what. Anvayartha Srinivas. Kulachitam.
Lala klinam vigandhi
Jugupsitam, that is
Jagupsitam.
Printing
Niramishan narasti nirupama rasapritya khadan parshvastham suragatim api vilokya vishankatehi kshudraha jantuhu parigraha palibutam
ganayati. So Shvanama Shunakaha Kukuraha Shunakaha Krumi Kulachitam Kitaka Samuhaihi Vyaptam Lala Klinam Lala Jalena Ardram Vigandim foul smelling Jugupsitam highly despicable, despisable, dislikable Niramisham without flesh Narasti human bone Nirupama Rasapritya with unequal, unparalleled taste, unparalleled desire, anupama affection, unparalleled affection khadan while eating, parshvastam situated closely, situated. Parshvastham means by the side. Surapatimapi, even the lord of the gods, if he were to be there by the side of the dog, Vilokya, seeing him, Vishankate, doubts. Indeed, Shudraha Jantuhu, any mean animal, low animal, Parigraha Phalgutam na Ganayati, it does not care for the uselessness of what he is holding. Now we go to Padartha Srinivas. Shva. So we have already seen the derivation. I have asked you and also the students who are watching. Please go through the Shabdamanjari. There is a book called Shabdamanjari which enlists all the nouns, which has the nouns there in a derived form. So look for this Shvan Shabda, which we have already recalled whenever it came. Shva, Shvanau, Shvanaha. So Shva, it is important because it comes many places. Shvan Shabda is used in literature. Otherwise, Kukura Shabda is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda like Devaha. Shunakaha is also simple. Krumi Kula Chitam.
Kitaka Samuhena
Vyaptam. Krumi Nama Kitaka, Kula Nama Samuha, Kitaka Samuhena Vyaptam. Covered by multitude of worms. Lala Klinnam.
Mukhasyandi Jalena Ardram.
Mukasyandi Jalena Ardram. Wet by the water oozing from the mouth, that is saliva. Vigandhi, full of stinking smell. Jugupsitam, Grunaspadam, disgusting. Gruna is disgust. Grunaspadam, Nindaspadam also. Niramisham, Narasti, Manusha Kikasam. Kikasam, another paryaya pada is used to Manusha Kikasam. Nirupama Rasapritya.
Aturaniya
Swadasnehena. Atulaniya Swadasnehena. Swadasya Snehena. With an unequal taste, unparalleled taste. Khadan Bhakshayan. This is Shatru, Khadan Bhakshayan. Adan, if you take Atti, Adan. Parshvastham. Samipastham, standing by the side, by the dog side. Surapatimapi. Devendramapi, Indramapi. Vilokya. Društva. Vishankati. So, Shankam Karoti, not Shanka. Shanka Shabda is stealing a Shabda. Vilokya na Shankate. Vishankate na Shankate is also there. Na Lajjate. Does not doubt. There is another reading, Patantara. Here Vishankate is there. Na Shankate is there. Na Shankate nama na Lajjate. Doesn't feel shy to see even Devendra standing by its side. It doesn't care because it is so much attracted by that human useless bone, like that. He indeed, yatohi, Shudro Jantuhu. See, in the similar man, and a very low person, uncivilized person, Parigraha Phalgutam.
Svikrutasya padarthasya
Asaratam. Parigraha nama Svikrutasya padarthasya asaratam. Tuchatvam. Asaratam na tuchatvam. The futility, uselessness of the bone that it has undertaken to eat here, or for that matter, any any low person who is similar situation attracted to a very filthy thing does not care even if the god of the god comes and stands by his side. That is what. Na ganayati. न विभावयति और मनसि न करोति न मनसि करोति न अनुमन्यते एटसेट्रा. भावार्थ श्रीनिवास.
कीटपूर्णं लला ललार्द्रम
लालार्द्रम
लालार्द्रम
पूतिगंधि
रसविहीनं निर्मांसं च मानुषकीकसं
सरसवस्तु प्रीत्या खादन्
कुक्कुरः देवराजमपि समीपे दृष्ट्वा कदाचिदयं मद्भोज्यमिदं
मद्भोज्यम इदम गृह्णीयात् इति शंकते. So the dog thinks that this fellow has come to take my food. Devendra. Keeta Purnam, full of insects. Lalardram, wet by the saliva. Puti Gandhi, stinking. Rasavihinam, without absolutely no taste, tasteless. Nirmamsam, fleshless. Cha Manusha Kikasam, Manusha Asti. Manava Asti. Rasa Sarasa Vastu Pritya Khadan, eating that with utmost satisfaction, we can say, eating that with utmost satisfaction, with no, as if there is no other tastier thing than this. Kukkuraha, a dog, Devarajamapi Indramapi Samipe Društva, seeing Indra also nearby by his side. Kadachidayam, never he. Madbhoj, Kadachidayam, sometimes he may think like this. Madbhojyam idam, this is my food. Grukhniyat iti shankati, this fellow may take away my bone. This tastiest food. Next.
यतोहि नीचो जनः गृहीतवस्तुनः
Asaratam Nanu Manyate. Yatohi, since, because Nichaha Janaha, a Nicha Purushaha, a low person, a degraded person, Gruhita Vastunaha, of whatever Vastu, whatever thing he has taken, of that things or food items, Gruhita Vastunaha Nama Atra Khadya Padarthasyapi Asaratam na Anumanyate, doesn't care for the tastelessness of the food or thing or uselessness of the thing that he has undertaken. So, Nindaspadam karma kurvan murkaha api evam mahatam vigarhanat na bibeti iti bhava. So, even a fool does such, doing a fool or a nicha doing such an act, he blames even the great people. So, murka api evam mahatam vigarhanat na bibeti, doesn't fear to blame even the great people while doing. That is somehow intended here. This is I am saying that. Now going to English, Srinivas. It's okay, I think. But I am only finding here. Last line is there, na? A mean fellow is never ashamed of accepting another's worthless favor, charity, or money. I don't know this translation here, but it can be changed. Fellow, a mean fellow does not mind worthlessness of his belongings. That is better. From here, I like you to change that. I am reading again. So, a mean fellow does not mind the worthlessness of his belongings. Not all these things, what is here given in English translation. You may cut down that. Putrid is there. There is a word, eating a putrid means a rotten thing. In English, putrid, second line, Srinivas. Anyway, let us go to the Nidarshana. Vyakarnamshaha. Sandhihi eka eva sandhi. Nara asti, nara asti. Dirgha sandhi. Samasaha. Vigandhi should have given, Srinivas. Why it is not given? Vigandhi is Vigataha Gandhaha Yasya Tat. Vigataha Gandhaha Yasya Tat. That which has lost its smell. That is called Vigandhi. Which can put in our Samasa Prakriya. Vigataha Gandhaha Yasya Tat. That which has lost its taste. Tasteless. Taste, not its taste. Smell. Krumikulena. Kruminam kulam. Krumikulam. Kruminam kulam. Kulam nama samuha. Kruminam samuha. That is tena. Niramisham. Nirgatam
आमिषम यस्मात् बहुव्रीहि समासः
So again this is bahuvri, like nirgatam amisham yasmat, from which the flesh is gone. Nirgatam amisham mamsam yasmat nirmamsam iti niramisham tat, that this you know in bahuvrihi the whole bahuvrihi compound word serves like visheshana. So what is this visheshana for? Niramisham asti. Niramisham asti. It's an adjective for narasti. This is adjective for narasti. Narasti, narasya, asti. Shashti tatpurush. Asti we have seen a derivation last class. Asti, astini, astini. So please check ikaranta napumsakalinga. What we studied in the beginning, I think, dadi, shuchi, shuchi also. Dadhi, shuchi, shuchini, shuchini. Then what is that? Nirupama rasapritya.
निरुपमो रसः यस्य सः निरुपम रसः बहुव्रीहिः तस्मिन् निरुपम रसे या प्रीतिः निरुपम रस प्रीतिः सप्तमी तत्पुरुष तया निरुपम रस प्रीत्या.
So such a analysis is required to understand it better. Nirupamaha rasaha. Nirupamaha. Matchless rasa. Yasya saha nirupama rasa. That which has a unparalleled taste. Tasmin, in that nirupama rase, in that matchless taste, nirupama rase ya pritihi, whatever affection, love the dog has for that tasteless thing, nirupama rasa pritihi, taya, by that affection for the most useless thing, that is. Surapatim, very simple. This is very simple. Suranam patihi surapati tam. Parigraha phalgutam.
परिग्रहस्य फल्गुता परिग्रह फल्गुता षष्ठी तत्पुरुषतां परिग्रह फल्गुता.
It is also simple. Parigrahasya phalguta. Parigraha phalguta tam. Now what is phalguta is given down. Phalguta. Phalam. Yeah, next. Phalam gatam
यस्मात् सः फल्गुः तस्य
bhava. Bhavarte, that you get. Then phalam gatam yasmat. That from which the phalam means purpose is gone. Phala here means purpose. Phala also means aim or fruit, whatever you say. Useless thing. Phalam gatam yasmat saha phalguhu. That is useless thing. Any useless thing from where the main purpose is gone. So tasya bhava. Bhavarte you get phalguta. Tal. So bhavartha. Then we have Krudanta Srinivas. Preetihi. Preet is not preet. That is a pretty mistake. Pre plus ktin. Preetihi. Chitam.
Chit plus chayane tanda.
Chi. Chit. Not necessary chit. Chi chayane. To select chita. Tanta. Chinute. This is the 5th class, Srinivas, what we have earlier spoken, 5th class. Next, klinnam. Klid. Swadigana, that is klid, klinna. This klid is to become wet. Srinivas, klid is to become wet. Klidyati, chaturtha gana. This is 4th gana, what we studied recently. Divadigana, what is called Divadigana, Divyati, etc. Klidyati, it forms like Klidyati, but it is in Tanta now. Then Jugupsitam. Gupiti Tanta. Yeah, Gup means Nindayam, to blame, to blame, that is the sense in Nindayam. So you get Ju, Gup, Sitam. Then Parshva, Parshvastham.
Parshvasthitam, Parshvastham, Stha plus Tam plus Kasi.
Stha plus Ka pratyaya is there. Parshvasthitam, Parshvastham. That is, tha is the dhatu here, ta is the, ka is the suffix, pratyaya. Sta dhatoho ka pratyaya, ka pratyaya. You know what comes out of ka is a. Vilokya. Luki, not luki, lok. It is not luki, lok dhatu. Darshane, lokate, lokete, lokante, loka to see. Loka darshane, not luki, but some printing. Khadan, khada dhatu, shatru. There are two verbs here, loka and locha, from which you get lochanam. I. Lochanam. Locha to see, lochate, loka to see, lokate, lokate, lochane. I think our loka is also derived from this loka, lokyate iti lokaha. What is seen? World. Loka means world. So for that, loka is the dhatu. Falguta, Srinivas, Tadditanta.
Falgoho bhavaha falguta. Falgoho plus tal.
Bhave. So already we have seen that. Falgoho bhavaha falguta. Falgu plus tal bhavarte. Falgu means useless, worthless, Srinivas. Falgu. We have already seen that. Gatam phalam, phalam gatam. And this is available in three lingas, Trishu Lingeshu. Falgu. Falguhu. Yeah. Falgu in Srilanka, Falgu, whatever it comes. Falguta is different. Bhavartha. Then what is there? Over. Chandas is there. Next. Yeah, Lakshanam. Harini Vrittam. Nasamara Salaga. Shad. Is that? Shad Vedai, sorry. Shad Vedair Ahayair Harini Mata. Now the Yati Niyama is given here. Shad means Shad Rasas. Shad Vedai. Vedas means how many? 4. Shad Vedaihi. Then Hayaihi. Haya means the horses. Sapta. So you get 7. 6, 4, 7. That means Yati at 6, Yati at 10th, Yati at 17th, Srinivas. That is our Rasa Yuga Grahe Yati Niyama. Rasa Yuga Grahe. I'm sorry, Rasa Yuga Haye. Rasa Yuga Sapta. Shad Rasas. 4 yugas. Another way of saying this is Srinivas. Shad Vedair Hayair Harini iti is then another way of saying is Rasa Yuga Haye Yati. Rasa means Shad Rasas. Yugas or Vedas means 4. Haya means the horses. So 7. That is 7 horses of the sun, as we say. So 6, 10, 17, the Yati Niyama is there, the rest is okay. 17, this meter also has 17 syllables. We are reading all this in 17 syllables. Kosha. Asti.
Kikasam kulyam asti.
Kikasam. Kikasam is explained as Ki kutsitam yatha syat tatha. Srinivas. Kutsitam, despisable, despite yatha syat tatha. Kikasam means very despisable thing. Kulyam. Kulyam is kutumbam kolati, kulyateva, kolati. To collect, I don't know what kind of derivations of this it was. This Kikasam is also explained as Ki kas ach. Kasati kathora. Kas to go to shine. Kasati. Ki kas ach. Kasati. Ki kasam also means kathora. Srinivas, very hard. Maybe bone is hard, na? That is why ki kasam. Firstly, it is interpreted ki kutsitam yatha syatata. It is disgusting as it should be. That is how ki kasam is explained. Then another interpretation is there. Then kulyam is explained as kutumbam. Second meaning is bone. Kolati kulyateva. Kula kolati, to collect. Kolati kulyateva means it collects or it gathers. Bone gathers what? The insects. Srinivas. Kulyam it is called because it gathers insects. Already krumikula chitam it is there. Na? So kulyam is the word for bone because it attracts. What does it attract? Insects only. What can a bone attract? Dog and insects. So that is how it is. Kul dhatu is there. Kolati is there. Then what is more? Asti. Asyate. Tin is there. Asyate. Asa to throw is there. Na? Unadi. Asi manjibhyam thin. I think what is thrown, I don't know. In this sense, asyate, asak thin is there. Thin, asti. Srinivas, I think it is thrown to the animals. Like we say in India, to greedy people, throw him a bone, we say generally. There's a usage. Like to a dog, to attract a dog, you throw a bone to the dog and dog gets attracted. So in that sense it is asti, asyate, asa, ktin. So this ktin suffix is there, so it becomes asti. So Munadi Sutra is quoted, let us not go to. Okay, next. Oh, one more is there, Phalgu. Asaram. Na saraha asti, asaram. That which has no essence in it. Phalgu already given. Phalgvasaro abhidiyati. Abhideyavat, that is said. Phalgvasaro abhideyavat. It should be mentioned as Phalgu asara. Okay. Avadeyam krudantasya pratyavasya. Okay, we have been looking to that. Now, first part of the abhyasa is Sloka Puranam. Krumikula chitam lala klinnam vigandhi jugupsitam rasapritya khadan narasti niramisham shva parshvastham vilokya vishankati. Na ganayati kshudro jantuhu parigraha phalgutam nishpalatam. That is one aspect. Padachedam also they can do it. Third one, Sloke prayuktanam akaranta napunsakalinga pratamaika vasananta padanam sankalanam. Okay, akaranta napumsakalinga. Krumikula chitam lala klinnam jugupsitam niramisham. Good. Niramisham. Parshvastham, yes, you can take. But Parshvastham is adjectival to Surapatim. It is not Napumsaka. So Pullinga it is. Because he says Akaranta Napumsaka Linga, Pratmaika. So you can stop there. Where? Niramisham. Because that is adjectival for Narasti. Asti is Napumsaka Linga. The fourth point, Sloke Prayuktani Avayani. It's very simple. Api Krumikula chitam lala klinam vigandhi jugupsitam nirupama pritya khadan narasti niramisham shva parshvastam vilokya. Na he. Only that is. Api is not there. No. Yeah. If you want, you can take vilokya also. Vilokya is also here. Fifth one, Sloke Prayuktani इकारांत नपुंसकलिंग द्वितीय एकवचनांत पदे लिखत. Okay, 2 only is asked. इकारांत नपुंसकलिंग द्वितीय एकवचनम. One is Vigandhi Srinivas, top one. Vigandhi, Ikaranta Napumsakalinga. Another is Asti, Narasti. Narasti, both are Ikaranta Napumsakalinga. And both are they are Pratama and Dvitiya same because of Napumsakalinga. Vigandhi, Narasti. Then we have matching. Parshvastha is given Pullingam. Vigandhi Napumsakalingam. Kshudraha Pullingam. Jantuhu Pumlingam. Niramisham Napumsakalingam. Surapatihi Pumlingam. Shva Pumlingam only. Shva is Pullingam. Krumikula Chitam Napumsakalingam. Parigraha Phalgutam Strilingam. No Strilinga is given? Yeah, one is there. Cha. Cha is there. Cha. So I think they can identify na easily. Only one Strilingam. Parigraha Phalgutam. Shamatam. So all are Napumsakas and Pullingas. Saptamamshaha Vigrahavakhya Nirmanam. Krumi Kula Chitam.
Kruminam Kulam, Krumikulam, Shishti.
So instead of going into so many steps, Krumi Kulena Chitam. Kruminam Kulam, Krumikulam, Tena Krumikulena is exhaustive. But to be up to the point here, Krumi Kulena Chitam. That also you can do. Next. Niramisham. Amisham Yasmat Tat. Nirgatam Amisham Yasmat. You know, in Bahuvri I told you, you come from right to left to understand. Tat, that. Yasmat, from which. Amisham, flesh. Nirgatam is gone. That from which the flesh is gone. Then you get the sense very beautifully in English. Nirdhanaha. No, Nirgatam Dhanam Yasmat Saha. Yasya Saha, Yasmat Saha. Yasmat is also better because from whom the money has gone or whose money has gone is not that good. Nirgatam Dhanam Yasmat Saha Nirgata Nirdhanaha. Gajasti. Gajasya Asti. Like Narasti, he has given this. Narasya Asti, Narasti, Gajasya Asti, Gajasti. Nirupama Rasa Pritya.
Nirupamo Rasa Yasya Tasmin Nirupama Rasa. Nirupama Rasa Priti.
Taya Nirupama Pritya. Parigraha Palguta. Sorry, sir. Palgutam. Parigrahasya Palguta. Parigraha Palguta Tam. Parigraha Palgutam. Nidraluhu Asmi Aham Madhya. Anyway, next point 7, 8. Sandhim Vichidya Likata. Narasti. Very simple. Nara plus Asti. Tava Asti. Tava plus Asti. You have. Tava Asti means you have. Tava Asti. Then Navama Sandhi Krutva Sandhim Rama Anujaha Ramanuja Anujaha Savarna Nara Abharanam Narabharanam Savarna. Dashamamsa Rekangita Sthane Paryayapadam. Okay. Shva Parshvastham Vilokya Vishankati. From the poem. Shva Parshvastham Društva Vishankati. Vilokya Nama Društva. Another one you want. Shva Kukuraha Parshvastham Samprekshya. Samprekshya Vishankati. Alokya also. Alokya Vishankati. Then second set Kshudro Jantuhu the mean animal, na ganayati, kshudraha, neechaha. Neechaha jantuhu na ganayati, doesn't care. Nikrushtaha jantu, adhamaha nikrushtaha. Neecha nikrushta is a common word for Telugu people. Neecha nikrushta. So, adhamaha jantuhu na ganayati, or nikrushta also you can use, nikrushtaha janaha, nikrushto janaha. So, what we have done, društva, alokya or samprekshya, neechaha, nikrushtaha, adhamaha. These are the synonyms we have used. Ekadashamaha, visheshana, visheshye, yojanam. Krumikula chitam, right across, narasti. Kshudraha, jantuhu. Murkhaha, shva. द्वादश कोष्टकात् समुचितं पदं स्वीकृत्य रिक्तस्थानम् ओके श्वा पार्श्वस्थं विलोक्य न शङ्कते क्षुद्रः जन्तुः डैश न गणयति परिग्रह फल्गुतां खादन् नरास्ति डैश मांसयुक्तं स्वादिष्टं निरामिषं सो शङ्कते परिग्रह फल्गुतां निरामिषं दिस् आर् द अंतिमः न अंतिमः त्रयोदशमः समीचीनम् असमीचीनम् श्वा जुगुप्सितं नरास्ति खादति समीचीनं नरास्ति सुगन्धि भवति असमीचीनं नरास्ति कृमिकुलचितं भवति समीचीनं क्षुद्रः जन्तुः परिग्रह फल्गुतां गणयति असमीचीनं न गणयति क्षुद्रः जन्तुः परिग्रह फल्गुतां न गणयति गणयति इति अत्र उक्तम् असमीचीनं श्वा सुरपतिं विलोक्य न शङ्कति सो फर्स्ट समीचीनं सेकंड असमीचीनं थर्ड समीचीनं असमीचीनं अल्टरनेटिवली शब्द रूपाणि पूरयत श्वा श्वानौ श्वानः श्वा इन द सेम वे श्वानौ नौ कम्स इन द द्वितीय श्वानः Now I was just thinking what could be the derivative meaning of the shva. Shvaha is there is a word like shvaha. Ashvaha, for ashvaha, na shvaha. For the horses there is no tomorrow when they go to the battle.
It's like ashwa.
So, ashva, something like derivation. So shva, I don't know what it is. Anyway, we'll see when the occasion demands one. Second one, Pritya. This is Trutiya, Priti Shabda. Pritihi, Priti, Pritaya. Mati Shabda like. Check up Mati, Matya. Matibhyam, Matibihi. Pritya, Pritibhyam, Pritibihi. So this is Ikaranta, Strilinga, Priti Shabda. Then third one is Parigraha Falguta, Akaranta Shabda like. Sorry. Parigraha Falguta, Parigraha Falgute, Parigraha Falgutaha. Like what? Lata Shabda or Kanya Shabda. What is that? Yeah, this is like Kavi Shabda. Kavim, Kavi, Kaveen. Surapatim, Surapati, Surapateen. Last one, Jugupsitam. This is a Napamsakalinga Shabda, like Vanam. Jugupsitam, Jugupsite, Jugupsitani. Vanam, Vane, Vanani. So done na? Shva, Shvano, Shvanaha, Pritya, Pritibhyam, Pritibihi. It's a big word. Parigraha Palguta, Parigraha Palgute, Parigraha Palgutaha. Surapati, Surapatin. Jugupsitam, Jugupsite, Jugupsitani. Well, there is nothing new here except Shvan Shabda. Nakaranta Shvan Shabda, which has to be looked into. Please see that. Harini Vrittasya Lakshanam, that you can copy from Lakshanam. Lakshana is there in page Nasa Mara Salagaha Lagaha. Nasa Marasa Lagaha. That is Nagana, Sagana, Magana, Ragana, Sagana and Lagu Guru. This is the one. And then Saramsham Samskrita Bhashaya Likam. This is Yatha, we can read. Shunakah
कीटक समूहै व्याप्तं लालाक्लिन्नं दुर्गन्धयुक्तं
घृणास्पदम सशून्यम नरस्य asti, or you can say kikasam, but kikasam is not that popular, so we will say asti only. Narasya asti bhakshayan
समीपस्थं देवेन्द्रमपि दृष्ट्वा न लज्जते तथा नीचः प्राणी स्वीकृतवस्तुनः
तुच्छत्वम न गणयति
मनसि न करोति इति भावः.
Very simple. So it is that yatha shunakah, just like a dog, kitaka samuhaihi vyaptam, infested by several groups of insects, lalaklinam, wet by the saliva, durgandha yuktam, foul smelling, grunaspadam, disgusting, mamsa shunyam, fleshless, narasya asti, the human bone of the man, prasannataya, with happiness, bhakshayan, while eating, samipastham, situated by his side, devendramapi indramapi, even Lord Indra, na lajjati, društva na lajjati, seeing him does not feel shy. Tatha, similarly, nichaha prani, a low person, svikruta vastunaha tuchatvam, the futility of the thing or the food he has taken up, na ganayati, does not care, manasina karoti iti bhava, he does not mind it. That is the essence. Shall we write this simple one?
Yes.
You just read, I will write. So what is the abhyasa number? 9. Ninth point. Point 1. Yeah, you got it. Yatha
यथा शुनकः कीटकसमूहैः व्याप्तं लालाक्लिन्नं दुर्गन्धयुक्तं घृणास्पदं मांसशून्यं narasya asti.
Here you can also say kikasam, but I have purposely used written that asti.
Prasannataya
Prasannataya
bhakshayam
khadan bhakshayan
samipastham
nikataस्थम, also you can say samipasth.
devendramati drishtva vilokya
Yeah, you can say Devendramapi vilokya
lajjate तथा
नीचः प्राणी
स्वीकृतवस्तुनः तुच्छत्वं
तुच्छत्वं
न गणयति मनसि न करोति
does not mind it, does not keep manasi na karoti iti
इति भावः इति भावः
any mistake just read on.
तथा शुनकः कीटकसमूहैः व्याप्तं लालाकीर्णं दुर्गन्धयुक्तं घृणास्पदं मांसशून्यं नरस्य अस्थि प्रसन्नतया भक्षयन् समीपस्थं देवेन्द्रमपि विलोक्य न लज्जते
तथा
नीचः प्राणी स्वीकृत
वस्तुनः
तुच्छत्वं न गणयति मनसि न करोति इति भावः.
Ghruna means disgust, aversion also it means. So evam अत्र स्थापयामि. शुभं भूयात्.